Tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Good evening. What a gorgeous day. We had plenty of sunshine, and as I mentioned, we've been on a little bit of a sunny streak, but tomorrow we are going to see mostly cloudy skies. We might see a few breaks of sunshine in the afternoon, but the name of the game tomorrow is going to be snow. Here's a live look outside at Muskegon. You can see that sunset. Remember, in about a week from tomorrow, we have daylight saving time begin, so that means our sunsets are actually going to be about an hour later. Here's a look at temperatures outside right now. 20 in Grand Rapids. Along the lakeshore, sitting in the upper teens. With the wind chill, feels more like 10 degrees, but still not a bad day. If you're heading out tonight, we're going to stay kind of on the mild side compared to what we have been seeing lately, which means our overnight lows will be seeing at 12. This is still much colder than we should be seeing this time of year, but again, compared to the below zero temperatures, 12 is going to be easy to take. Along with this, our winds will be about 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the southwest. We will see increasing clouds, some scattered light snow moving in from the south and spreading to the north as we go overnight. Here's the storm system bringing it our way. You can see that prevalent shield here with those clouds kicking out ahead of it. And notice the heaviest snow is still in Missouri, and the heaviest snow isn't going to make it into our area. In fact, that's going to stay in Indiana. So if you're traveling south tomorrow, you are going to run into some moderate to heavy snowfall. But if you're staying in West Michigan, not a bad day for us, just some of that scattered light snow. So here's the storm track. All the weather watches and advisories stay to the south of us. Just watch for some of those slick roads as you get out the door early tomorrow morning, because it is going to be light snow, and that will create a thick, nice little coat on the ground. If we take a look at your futurecast starting tonight at 7, notice clouds first. Then overnight tonight, once we get to about 11 o'clock, that's when we'll start to see the snow edge into Kalamazoo and Battle Creek, making its way into South Haven. But notice the cloud shield goes all the way up through lower Michigan, but the snow doesn't. It's not till we get to 7 a.m. tomorrow that we likely start to see the snow really make its way up into Kent County. And if you live in Fremont, Big Rapids, or Muskegon, you might not see snow until sunrise tomorrow. But once we get to tomorrow, the snow continues to spread north, and everyone has a chance of seeing some. Highest accumulations are going to be closer to the I-94 corridor. Tomorrow, we're going to see a high of 25. And here's your snowfall forecast by location. So a dusting to a half an inch, Big Rapids, Fremont, Muskegon. If you live in Grand Rapids, south to about Kalamazoo, about a half an inch to an inch. And then the highest possibilities are going to be closer to the Indiana state line with as much as 2 inches possible, but more than likely this isn't going to be that big of a deal. If we look at Tuesday though, 37 degrees, we do have a wintry mix. The thing about Tuesday is it's going to start as snow, switch to freezing rain, and then turn all the way back to snow by the time we get to Wednesday. So it's looking like the middle of the week there is going to be quite treacherous on the roads. That's definitely going to be a morning that you want to tune in with Matt and Terry starting at 4:30 on Daybreak and lasting all the way through 7 a.m. And then we'll also tune in on Tuesday night into Wednesday with Bill and Kyle starting from 5 going to 6:30, because again, that time frame there is looking like it's going to get pretty slick outside.
Oh, but looky there, all temps above zero.
Oh, look at all that silver lining.
Thanks,
yeah, for
Ellen.
once.
All right, Ellen, take care.